Welcome to Rowland High School in Rowland Heights, California. Today in Chef Rice's culinary class, the students are getting hands-on experience in a mock restaurant setting.
The students are going to come in. We're going to have a host right here who's going to give them find out how many are in their party, take them, have them seated. Then the server's going to come over and take their order, and then they're going to practice the back and forth. From there, the server's going to take the order over to the cooks, and the cooks are going to make the pasta. And that right there is going to be our makeshift kitchen for today. And the reason why we're out here is because I want to be able to monitor the whole operation at once. If we were going back and forth from the kitchen, I would probably miss something and not be able to grab those teaching moments to let them know what the proper action would be.
Through career and technical education, students learn new skills, gain experience, develop confidence, and secure their future. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are approximately 17 million jobs in the hospitality and tourism cluster, and most of the job openings are in the restaurants and food and beverage systems pathway. Employment in food preparation and serving occupations is projected to grow 20% through 2030 and will gain 2.3 million jobs, from servers to cooks and chefs.
Is our setup. We're doing two different pastas. We have a veggie delight, which is for our vegetarian people, and we also have a classic Alfredo, which students absolutely love. And they're going to be making it from scratch the French classical way. So I'm really excited about this. The girl who's going to be here, her name is Micah. She's interested in being her chef herself. She's my chef assistant. And what I'm trying to do is mentor her and give her the ins and outs on what the business is like.